ladies and gentlemen. It's an honor for us, the Uyghurs in Australia and around the world, to have so many individuals who care about the Uyghurs and the Uyghur culture, share our concerns and show strong support to us by attending this ceremony to mark the establishment of Australian Uyghur Muqam Ensemble. I am, he is, like many of you, an immigrant in the United States. I came to America in late 80s when I was 30 years old, with no money and with 2 children, dedicating my life to do the best I could to have a successful and happy life for me and my whole family. I can say that I did achieve the American dream. Not only did I and my wife work hard, managing multiple jobs while going to schools and raising children, but our success was enabled by a system based on freedom and equality that enabled social mobility. I'm not saying that the system in America is perfect. Of course it's not. But compared to many places in the world, we are very fortunate. We have a system here built on a fundamental human desire, freedom. Everyone always talks about it, but what is freedom? Many people define it differently. However, no matter where you are from or where you grew up, what race you are, what religion you follow, or if you don't believe in a religion at all, humans at the most basic level desire some sort of freedom. To me, it's psychic. To me, it's the ability to make the choice of how you would like to live your life, as long as you are not causing harm. Uyghur defines a population of more than 20 million people, represented by a unique language, culture, cuisine, history, and traditions. For centuries, Uyghur culture has kept a unique way of expressing the essence of different religions, cultures, and civilizations that have crossed its path. By being important contributors to the cultures of Central Asia and the Asian Silk Road, Uyghur artists always have carried their cultural heritage through their music, dance, theater, poetry, craftsmanship, and other forms of expression. Uyghur culture and art have touched millions of hearts, taking inspiration and paying it forward. Uyghur culture is an example of mutual understanding and continuous exchange between great minds through historical roads. Today, you will see the first hand what some of the Uyghurs performing arts look and feel like. The number of the Uyghur artists is extremely small in Uyghur diaspora. And this afternoon's performers are those who mostly live in Sydney, no one from outside Australia. Nevertheless, what you're going to see tonight, okay, he lives in America, so it makes sense. This afternoon, nevertheless, what you're going to see in the afternoon is a small example of Uyghur culture and tradition. Unfortunately for the Uyghurs, we have now been stripped from all basic and fundamental human rights. The Chinese government is hell-bent on destroying the culture, the customs, the language, and the religion of the Uyghur people, or the Uyghur ethnic identity. And the Uyghur homeland is no longer a sacred keeper of its heritage. Therefore, it has now become the duty of Uyghurs in diaspora to preserve and promote the Uyghur language and culture. This event is one step taken in that direction. Your participation in the event this afternoon, as well as your future support towards the Uyghurs, mean a lot to us. The Uyghurs in diaspora and I thank you all from the bottom of my heart. Thank you very much. By Dr. Akin Sadek, Los Angeles, America. Thank you.